Top Dasher status is usually based on your recent performance, not how many total lifetime deliveries you've completed. That means newer drivers can qualify if their activity meets the platform's requirements during a specific evaluation period. By the end of this, you'll know how to reach Top Dasher eligibility without relying on hitting a large delivery count first. The first thing to understand is how DoorDash evaluates drivers in real time. The system looks at your recent acceptance behavior, completion consistency, and how often you stay active during busy hours. It does not treat lifetime delivery count as the main factor for Top Dasher access, which is why newer drivers can still qualify. What matters more is how consistently you accept available orders during peak demand periods. When you reject too many requests, the system assumes you are not reliably available, which reduces priority access to higher value opportunities. Staying active during lunch and dinner rush hours helps because those are the periods where the platform needs the most coverage. Completion consistency also plays a role, because unassigned or dropped orders create delays in the system. Keeping deliveries you accept and finishing them within the app flow signals reliability. This helps position your account for better visibility when Top Dasher evaluations are calculated. Another important factor is timing your activity around busy zones, instead of staying idle in low-demand areas. Drivers who position themselves near restaurants with steady order volume tend to receive more consistent offers. That steady activity matters more than trying to complete a specific lifetime milestone quickly. To reach Top Dasher without focusing on 200 total deliveries, the strategy is simple. Stay active during peak hours, accept a higher share of incoming orders, and complete every accepted delivery without canceling. Over time, this builds the kind of recent performance profile the system looks for when assigning Top Dasher status. The key idea is that eligibility is driven by recent reliability, not long-term delivery totals. Focus on being consistently available, completing orders cleanly, and positioning yourself during high-demand periods. Start by tracking your next few shifts and prioritizing consistency over cherry-picking. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps and how their systems actually decide who gets the best orders.